Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. So in today's video, we are going to be transforming this men sweatshirt that I got from Walmart. I think I paid like $5 or $3 for it. We're going to be transforming it into a fur coat. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, I'm just laying out the sweatshirt. It does have a stain on it from when I washed it. I don't know what happened to it, but I have all these pillowcases that I got from Amazon. You can use actual fur, but the reason why I'm using a pillowcase is because they're way cheaper than the actual fur. So plus I wanted it to be very colorful, so that's why I decided on a pillowcase. But you can use whatever you want. So next thing, we're gonna have to cut the sweatshirt like down in the middle so that you can open it up so they actually look like a coat. Yeah, and that's it. That's not it, but that's it for now. Just cutting it. Cut it. Okay, so after I cut the sweatshirt down the middle, I'm gonna lay back the what do you call it? The pillowcase, the fur pillowcase over it so I can see how I want everything to lay out and stuff like that. Then I'm just gonna cut off the zippers off the pillowcase and just make it look like a normal fur, whatever. And then just cut it, place it wherever I want to place it, and then just glue it on. It would be better if you just sew it on, because then you can actually see to make sure that you get everything right. But I wasn't feeling that. I was just too lazy, so I just used my hot glue gun. But I just suggest just to sew it on. That's just my opinion. So yeah. So I didn't want the video to be really long. I wanted it to be under 10 minutes or whatever. So after I started hot gluing everything on, I didn't record everything. But all I'm doing is just gluing on everything that I want to glue on, just cutting it, however thick I want it to be, however thin I want it to be, how many layers I want it to be, and that's basically it, which you guys are going to see up soon. But that's basically it. There's nothing complicated about this DIY. It's really easy. I would suggest not to use the pillowcase like I did because I'm cheap. Just use the actual fur, and that will look so much better. But I'm okay with how it turned out. So yeah, let's start gluing. It turned out so good. I can't wait to wear this when I'm in New York.